Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our next lesson, that is cyber security. What is meant by cyber security? Cyber security means it refers to the body of technologies, processes, and practices designed to protect networks, devices, programs, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. Cyber security may also be referred to as an information technology security. See, in due to the exponential growth of internet and online mobile banking and other related technologies, present world is being benefited by the use of this technology. In each segment, such as a banking, airport, space, railway, telecommunication, and social media, we using technology. So we are using all types of technology. So in this nowadays today's world is a fully dependent on technology, and all these technologies are interlinked with one another through the internet. Each innovation or new technology facilitates lot of advantages, but at the same time it may produce some side effect. Now what is mean by side effect? That only we are discussing in this lesson. So side effect means many types of viruses, any cyber crime, so that we will discuss. Next point is a computer security. See, the meaning of the term computer security has evolved in recent years. So this to prevent theft or damage to the hardware, to prevent theft of or damage to the information, to prevent disruption of services. So this type of computer security is there. Computer security is a securely applied to the computing devices such as the computers and smartphones, as well as computer network also. Some important terms and uses in computer security are uh, backdoors, vulnerability, denial of services attack, direct access attack, exploits, indirect attacks. So these are type of computer securities. Next point is safely browsing the internet. See, internet is the world's largest storehouse of information, and is the first resource most users turns to when they require information about something. But there are websites that may cause harm to your computer by taking over your computer, corrupting data on your hard disk, stealing sensitive information, or install malicious software. Means when we using computer with internet facility, that time which devices we connecting to our computer, that time many types of viruses is coming in our system, and that is a very harmful to our system. So thus you must safeguard your computer from such threats to make your web browsing experience pleasant and harmless. So some practices that ensure a safer web browsing experience are there. So for example, never save password on your computer in text files or elsewhere, or use virtual keyboard to enter information on financial website. Do not click on link that you are not sure about. Means many types of link is coming while we using internet. So that time some when we click any illegal link, that time this also problematic, because if we click, then our personal data they can hack. So do not click on any link. Make sure and then only click. Install and use a good internet security software, and do not use public or shared Wi-Fi connection. So these are the some practices that ensure a safer web browsing experience. So next point is a safely using social media. Nowadays we are using many types of apps social media. So social media has become a integral part of our life. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, these are all are available on a computer as well as smartphone also. So this through that apps we are touched with others. At the same time, these social media apps have also proven to be harmful to the security of a people as well as sensitive information stored on a computer or a smartphone. Some of the security measures to take while using social media apps are use a strong password. The longer it is, the more secure it will be. Next, use a different password for each of your social media accounts. If you have social media app, you on your phone, be sure to password protect your devices. Remember to log off when you are done, means when you complete your work on the computer, remember to log off your system. So these many points are there. So these are the security messages so to take while using the social media apps. Next is cybercrime. The term cybercrime can be defined as a criminal activity directly related to the use of computers, specifically illegal trespass into the computer system. It can also be defined as any crime with the help of computer and telecommunication technology. So, this cybercrime theft are from insiders, then hackers, then crackers, then virus writers, foreign intelligence services, and terrorists. From because of that, cybercrime is happening. So, in that also categorize of cyber crimes, different parts they categorized. For example, eavesdropping, spoofing. Spoofing means like a cheat. Then information disclosure, cyber defamation, then hacking, cracking, email spoofing. In the email also they doing a cheat. So SMS spoofing, carding, bot network, then intellectual property crimes. So these are the all cyber crimes. Next point is cyber talking. Cyber talking is a crime in which the attackers harasses the victim using electronic communication such as email or instant messaging. Shortcutly, we are telling IM, or message posted to website or a discussion group. Cyber talking is the online version of the and it's often as extension of offline stalking. The aim is to annoy, alarms, and emotionally abuse another person. Cyber stalking means the repeated use of electronic communications to harass or frighten someone, for example, by sending threatening emails,